Greetings. I'm Dave Eckmann, President and CEO of the Greater Wausau Chamber of Commerce. The mission of the Greater Wausau Chamber of Commerce is to strengthen our member businesses and enhance our community by building business success. Over the past 2 months with the Safer at Home policies in place, your team here at the Chamber has been working very hard to ensure you have had relevant, important information critical to you, your families, employees, and your business. The team has also been engaged with businesses to address specific needs and develop resources in preparation to open the economy where we are today. I have an amazing team here, and I deeply appreciate the efforts from each of them. With the Wisconsin Supreme Court decision this past week, many of you are uncertain about the next steps to open your business or organization. As we are still at risk with COVID-19, it is imperative that we maintain a high level of vigilance as we engage in commerce once again. If we as a business community do not adhere to designated safe practices to protect employees and customers, we risk an increase of COVID-19 infections, which could lead to past policies. Today, I would like to share important information with you. There are 3 primary documents and resources that I would like to introduce and briefly discuss. These documents will help to guide you as you prepare to open your business establishment. First, the Marathon County Order Number 1, the local public health guidance you should refer to as a business and citizen. Second, the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation best practices to reopen. Third, the Wisconsin Safety Council returning to work, 8 steps to keep your employees safe. All these documents can be found on the wausauchamber.com website or our new Ready Let's Grow website. I'll have more on the Ready Let's Go at the close of this message. So now I'm going to move into some of the documents that I'd like to share with you. First, the document that I referenced. You can find this on our website. This is the Marathon County Order Number 1 that's going to provide the guidance to all of you in this community, this county, as to how we have to act responsibly to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The next document, the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation, best practices to reopen. This is the guidance that the governor, the legislature, the county, and the business community are going to work with. This document here will take you into the practices that you need to adhere to in your industry sectors. When you go to the WEDC website, the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation website, they will provide guidance for each of your industry sectors in the practices that you should be instilling into your employees, your businesses, and helping to educate your customers. The third document that you'll find is important for you to refer to is returning to work. This is from the Wisconsin Safety Council. This document alone will help you to protect your employees and to make sure you're meeting the letter of the law in terms of protecting them with OSHA and restrictions that might be coming down, that you are aware of, that you have the things in place that legally protect you, your employees, and your customers. These are essential documents that you really need to go and look. First and foremost, the Marathon County Order is going to give you what the rules of the boundaries are of our county and what we should be adhering to. The WEDC, to state again, is going to give you specific information as to how you, in your business, in your sector, prepare to open. Third, make sure you get the document in place that allows you to look at what you have to do to protect yourself as a company and your employees through Wisconsin Safety Council. I'd like to just show you some other things that you really need to be thinking about. Personal protective equipment. You're going to need masks. So as you, in your environment, you're going to need either cloth mask or you're going to need some type of masking that's going to help protect your employees and your customers. You're going to need hand sanitizer. This hand sanitizer you can buy locally right here. You can find it in stores, but you're going to need to make sure you have hand sanitizer, washing protocols, sanitization processes. Some of you may require an infrared touchless thermometer. so that you can monitor temperatures of your employees and staff and your customers. Folks, we are now going to open our economy, and we have to do it responsibly. We're here ready at the Chamber, and when I say that, ready, let's grow. That means ready. We have a website now, readyletsgrow.com, which will provide you a bunch of resources and guidance as to how you get ready to do business. The other aspect of Ready Let's Grow is the Let's Grow portion is let us work together and let us work as a community to rebuild our economy. We have a tremendous opportunity here. We need to support our small businesses, our medium and large businesses here locally. Spend locally, so important, folks. We're here at the Chamber. We're going back to work here at our office on Monday. We are going to be here and we're going to be working in earnest to make sure you have the information and resources to be impactful right away. Ready, let's grow. Thank you.